Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change variable products price in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to your admin panel in WordPress. After that, we will be needing to start creating variable products so we can start updating its prices or the variable prices. Now, all we need to do is to have attributes so we can be able to create variations. So let's suppose that we have a t-shirt or a pants or any kind of uh, clothes that we will have a variation based on size. So now we need just to go to the products and we are going to create this product. So let's go for example to this t-shirt and I'm just going it has this name and basically here you will need to have attributes. And basically, let's suppose that I will have variation based on size and both on color. You can add your attributes from here and then click add. So basically here you will have this and you will have it visible on the products page and make sure that it is a variable product first. Then you will need to make sure that it is used for variation and make sure this is true. Save the attributes and then we will have them here in the variation. So now I'm just going to add my variation and it will be uh, this it will be for example a variation that has a color the size M and the color green and I'm just going to save the changes. But if you want to start having multiple prices, you will need just to click here variation price. So basically this mixed or this variation would have this price. And let's add another variation and say that for the S1 and the green one, it would only be, for example, an 80 or whatever. So basically now we have another price and I'm just going to save the changes and basically now we have our products that has been saved and we can go now to our products and then view preview our t-shirt. As you can see it will have this price, it has this range of prices. That means that our variation works well. And basically, when it is green and M or with S, it will have this price that will be changing. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.